Greetings, I am planting radishes today. It is April 9th and here's the package I got. Radish Early Scarlet Globe. So here is the trench I built for my radish seeds. As you can see, just sprinkle them into the trench. Okay, and now I'm going to cover them up. I made the trench with a chopstick, so I'm going to cover it with my fingers because the forecast is for rain tomorrow, 70% chance of rain. So I'm going to take advantage of that and let the rain water my radish seeds tomorrow. Let's see how it turns out. Have any comments or questions? Please leave them below, and I'll see you in the next video.